In this presentation, you will learn how to identify a pattern in order to see what changes are occurring in a figure. How many tiles are in each of these figures? To find this, we need to count the number of tiles. We can see that in figure 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiles. In figure 3, we can see that there are 10 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In figure 4, we can count that there are 14 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. From here, we can see that each of the figures is adding 4 tiles before it reaches the next. How is the figure changing? We have already identified that each figure adds 4 tiles. Let's look closer. We can see that the figure is growing, not shrinking. In figure 3, 2 blocks are added to the top from here to here. We also see that 1 block is added on each side of the quote-unquote wings growing out from it. In figure 4, the same thing is occurring, as you can see by my highlighted areas. So that's how the figure changes. How many tiles would figure 1 have, and how many tiles would figure 5 have? From the pattern that we identified in the previous slide, we know that 2 blocks are added to the top and 1 to each side. So from figure 2 to figure 1, we would have to take away 2 blocks and 1 of the wings from the side, making a figure that looks a lot like this, because we are getting rid of these blocks, leading to that. Now we need to reverse that pattern and continue to add on to figure 4 to find figure 5. Using the same pattern, we can tell that it will probably look like this because these blocks are added. Without those, you have a figure that looks like this. With this problem, you use the standards Model with Mathematics. We can clearly show our work using diagrams, words, symbols, and pictures because of the patterns and figures that we drew to learn how the figure was changing. We also utilized patterns to find how figure 1 and figure 5 looked, as well as identifying the pattern. We utilized the structure of the problem because we needed to build another structure figure to find how the other figures would look and to determine how the figures were changing. That is how you solve the pattern problem.